the blockchain world is all about decentralization, but there is one fundamental problem, that the development team that developed the blockchain itself is centralized, is controlled by a centralized group of people. And so how can you have something really decentralized without decentralizing the development? And that was 10 years ago. Since then, the view on how and what exactly to do changed a lot, but the same principle remained. So usually there is one development team, it's just fully centralized, but some blockchains made an attempt to decentralize the development of the blockchain by allowing people to vote over code patches. There are two problems here. One that has to do with voting and other that has to do with code patches. If you show a professional programmer a code patch, they will need to invest a lot of effort in order to understand what's going on there. You cannot simply say, I want to make this kind of change and that's it. It's not obvious at all from the code patch what's going to happen. Second problem is with voting in general. There is one fundamental problem with voting, that it cannot scale and stay fair at the same time, because even if everyone have equal right to vote, you cannot effectively have that everyone have equal right to propose what to vote over, because even if they have this right, no one is going to read all the proposals. So in those blockchains, indeed, if there are 1,000 code patches, that's even worse than studying one code patch. No one is going to even look at them. Software is there for one and only one thing, which is the users, right? How the users can control the software in an effective way. The idea is that users say statements about the software, and the software automatically updates itself to become what the users want it to become. One thing to notice, statements about software is not software. In programs, you have instructions what to do at each point of time, but a statement about a program is saying something like, never send private data over the network. That's not a program. That's a statement about programs. So this thing that I just described cannot be done in programming language. It has to be done in so-called software specification languages.